Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to order Cash App card. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Cash App application. Once you are on this application, make sure you log into your account. Once you log in, tap on this icon at the bottom bar. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. In this page, you can order a cash card. To do so, tap on this button where it says Get Free Cash Card. Then it will take you to this page where you can choose your card style. You can either choose from classic or metal. Metal cards are a bit expensive. As you can see, normal card costs $0, which is for free, and then if you want to personalize a bit, it will cost you $5, and if you want a metal card, it will cost you $20. So it's a bit expensive. If you don't want to spend any money, just tap on either of these cards because it's for free. Once you choose your card, you can also personalize your card by tapping on this button, but again, it will cost you a bit. And if you just want to order the card, tap on this button and you will move on to the next step. On the next step, you'll have to enter your address where the card should be delivered. Now enter your address. Once you do so, tap on this next button and you will place an order. It will take some time to deliver the card. Once it's ready, it will be delivered to the entered location. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.